Pay attention because this video could save you thousands of dollars if you get into a car accident. I was on my way to the store with my wife the other day when boom, we heard an explosive sound. As soon as it happened, we felt a whiplash that launched us forward. The guy ran a red light and T-boned us. After making sure everyone was okay, we called the police. This is where it gets wild. The side of my car was wrecked and I knew it wasn't my fault, so I wasn't worried. But the moment that the police came, he blamed us. He told the cops we ran the light, and the cops believed him. They were saying that we could get a ticket for the red light and be liable for all of the damages. But then my wife had a brilliant idea. She goes, pull up your phone. We have a Rove dash cam. Show them the video of the accident. And then bam, there it is. The video of the accident showing the other guy running the red light. If we didn't have the camera, we'd have to pay thousands of dollars in damages. Therefore, having this little guy saved me a ton of cash. And it could do the same for you. Go to rove-cam.com and get one today. I know they're having a sale right now, so get yours before they run out of stock.